So you'll grab your yarn and you'll make a little ribbon, you will twist it, and then you'll pull your yarn through, making a loop, and then you'll tighten it down to the size you want, and then you will continue to pull your yarn through and make your chain. Alright, and once you are done with your chain, you will grab your yarn and you will just pull them through the top of the chain, and you will just pull the loops down and continue that pattern until the end. So you'll just keep on going down, pulling it throughout your blanket. And as we get done, you will grab the loops from the top or the end of your blanket, and you will just kind of hook them into each other. And you will want to make sure you start that looping on the opposite side of your working string, so that way once you are done hooking all your loops together, you can just tie it off, and then you will be done and you will have your beautiful blanket.